Irish is enjoying a resurgence across the island. Many are re-engaging, keen to learn and use the language. But those promoting it have been dealt a blow.
Tá fai bugin.
Irish is having a moment.
Kneecap and Dramjarg and Colin Kuhn.
The issue is funding. Groups get it from Fóras na Gaeilge, a cross-border body set up under the 1998 Good Friday Agreement. Its budget is agreed jointly by the Irish Government and the Stormont Executive on a 75-25 split. It hasn't kept pace with rising costs for years. A new funding formula has been worked up. It was noted at a meeting in the autumn of the North-South Ministerial Council, but it needs approval on both sides of the border. Since then, there have been 5 attempts to get it on the agenda of the Stormont Executive. So far, all of them have been unsuccessful. Without extra cash, Fóras has had to announce €800,000 in cuts, hitting language schemes for children, in the arts and for business.
We don't think that's good enough. We think there's huge questions for the DUP, even bigger questions for their partners in government, Sinn Féin, and also for the senior partner in that all-island funding relationship, the Irish Government.
The DUP says it's just applying an agreed funding formula.
I understand that the Finance Minister perhaps is proposing to break that and indeed to facilitate the South to increase their contribution without that being linked to Northern Ireland's contribution. That is not something that I am in agreement with.
Power sharing at Stormont has come under pressure before over issues with the Irish language. Dublin and Belfast will be hoping any such tension can be avoided. Conor McCauley, RTE News.